What is up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Arrie. You guys, today I am in my filming room trying to get it together because it's a hot mess. I told y'all in my last video that we switched closets around. I'm just trying to get some things organized because right now I just am not happy. So I thought about why not just film it, because there may be some people like me who might need a little organizational inspiration or a little organizational idea. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys everything that I'm doing. I've already filmed me organizing my perfume collection. Now I am doing body lotions and body mist. When I tell y'all, it's out of control. It's out of control. But we're going to get it together. So at the moment, this is what we're working with. I have all of my lotions, body creams, body sprays. This is just a portion of the lotions. Let me put it that way. Under here, I have a portion of my Bath and Body Works lotions. And then I have my pocketbooks up here. Hand sanitizers in this tray. So I think I'm going to just get rid of the tray and try to put at least all my body mist together. I think I have something else for the lotions, but you guys, let me show you my lotions. Don't judge me, okay? But this is my body lotion, body cream. I just got everything in here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get organized. I have a cart that I think I'm going to put my lotions on. That way I can roll it in the bathroom, roll it, keep it in here, just wherever, because I do use my lotions as well as body mist all the time. But yeah, I just want to make it where it's easy for me as well. But yeah, this is where we're starting. Let's go ahead and get into it. I think the best place for me to start is to take all my body mist, and I'm just going to dump them in this bag, and I'll come back and reorganize them by season. I'm not sure. I'm going to figure it out. Okay, so here's the bag of my body mist. Now I'm going to remove the body creams and body lotions.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time.
So this specific brand, I absolutely love it, you guys. But some of this I only wear in my hair. The Indian Coconut Nectar, the Beach Lavender Lemon, and the Himalayan Patchouli Berry. The Himalayan Patchouli Berry smells great, but it can be a little bit overbearing to me. So I wear these three in my hair, as well as this Havana Tropical Vanilla Cherimoya. This smells really good too. But this is like when I have my hair curly and I just so shampooed it. You just add some of this. It gives you a beautiful vibe. But now the Tahitian Gardenia is my absolute favorite. I just purchased another bottle of this, and this one is pretty much new, but I caught it on sale at Ulta. So yes, I love it. I know you guys hear me talking about it. I also have the perfume as well. And it's almost gone. You can see how I kill it, but with my chemistry, it's super amazing. But look at the Himalayan Patchouli Berry. I have a friend that loves patchouli. I think I'm going to give this to her because I just really don't wear it. But yes, this is where I am starting with the Pacifica brand, and I'm just going to line them up by brands, you guys. I don't know how else to do it. Let's see how it works.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around.
So when I went to go visit family, I pulled out a lot of Bath and Body Works, body sprays and mist and just other things, you guys. And I gave it to family, but I do have 2 other declutters today, and this one is the Victoria's Secret Teas. Now my hubby bought me this when we first got married, and it's going on 8 years now. I still have it. Oh my goodness. I just sprayed it and it does not smell the same. It smells different. So I'm definitely going to be getting rid of this. And this Himalayan patchouli berry, I'm going to give it to my friend Marquita because she loves patchouli. So, yep, as you can see, I have barely even touched this. And I do like the way it smells, but it's a little strong for me, and in the type of work that I do, yeah, it's just a little strong for me. So I'm going to give it to her. And yep, those are 2 of the declutters that I did. So this is how my shelf is looking at the moment. This is my Victoria's Secret. I only have 2 of these. You guys, I only buy what I know I'm going to wear or like. And this is the Coconut Milk and Rose and the Merlot Pear. I love those. And once I get rid of these, I'll probably try some different ones. But yes, this is my Bath and Body Works collection. I think it's my biggest. Strawberry pound cake. We got Poppy. We got the bubble gum, and then we got You're the One. Absolutely love that. And then Christmas cookies, champagne apple and honey, and then we got Among the Clouds. Waikiki Beach is absolutely one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. Raspberry tangerine. Sometimes I do just like to wear that. Dream Bright. And then we have whipped vanilla rose and Christmas cookies. Next is my Sol de Janeiro collection. I have the number 68 Charosa, 62, 40, 39, and 71. Absolutely love these. These are some of my most favorite body mist. Love wearing those. And believe it or not, you guys, this is a really cheap brand, but the Beverly Hills Polo Club, I enjoy wearing these. They just smell really good on me. I had the whole kit of them. I think I used some up, or maybe I gave one away, but these 2 are my favorites. Smell really good. And this is the Body Fantasies, and I have the vanilla and the cotton candy. Those are just really good layers to me. I love layering those. And this one is from Aeropostale. It's the honey. Smells just like a sweet honey. And this is Bella Camuto. And this goes with my Bella perfume. So I didn't want to get rid of that because I do wear those together. And I think I had one more short one. Hold on. So yeah, I have the small size of At the Beach. And it's really Bath and Body Works. But I don't like the way it looks there. So I think I'm just going to add it to this short. So it just gives me a more uniformed look. I had to make a small change to my shelf because I went to go make sure I had all my body creams and lotions. And I realized that I didn't put my Soap and Glory scents out. This is the Calla Fruity. And this is the Original Pink. And then I have the Mist You Madly. Oh boy, you guys, I forgot I even had these because I had them in a different area. That's the only thing when you're organizing is making sure you're pulling out everything. So we got Pacifica, we got Victoria's Secret, we got Bath and Body Works, we got Soap and Glory, we got Sol de Janeiro, we got Polo, we got Body Fantasies, and these are just some different extras. So that's what we've got. Okay, so update. I went to the Amazon return store today. Everything was $2 and I found this stand. This is the same one that I did with my perfumes, you guys. I got it for $2. Can you believe it? And then I also found these. And these are just like turntables. So I think I'm going to use this instead for some of my body mist, the shorter ones. The taller ones. Yeah, I think I'm going to put the taller ones here and the shorter ones here. So let me see how it turns out. So this is the finished product. I am pleased. I have two of these trays. It's like a lazy Susan that spins around. I love the fact that I can spin and just pick the fragrance that I like. Perfect. I think it's perfect. And then I like the way that these are elevated, so I can still see the ones in the back, the ones in the front. Perfect. So I still have one left for any extra sprays that I find or that I purchase. I can just use the extra glass spinning table. So that's it. So this is the rolling cart that I'm going to use for my body lotions and body creams. That way I can just roll it around and carry it where I need it to be, because I use a lot of lotion and I like to, you know, pick it to go with my body mist. So instead of me using another shelf, I had this like for decorations, although I may redo that because it's really getting junky. I need to redo that too. But I think I'm just going to put my lotions and body creams on this one.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
So this Pacifica coconut cream, you guys, this is my absolute favorite coconut cream. I am going to, this is almost gone, and this is my new one because I don't like to be without, so I haven't used that one. But I'm just going to pull this out and use this up today. I also have a Waikiki coconut, beach coconut. This is one of my favorites. I love this stuff on my chemistry. It's almost gone. I refuse to just throw it away, so I'll use this also. I kept finding more lotions and more body butters, and I've actually ordered some more. So yeah, this is going to be my space for the lotions, body butters, and creams. So far that's going to be it for what I have right now. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. Well, thanks my friend for getting organized with me. That's it for today's video. As you can see, it's looking really nice. I am super happy. I am so happy, you guys. It's finally coming together. But yeah, it's been hard. But I appreciate you guys hanging in with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if I've inspired you to get organized, or if you've had some ideas that maybe I didn't think of. Drop them down below, because I still have a lot of more stuff to organize. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.